Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to flip the image or picture on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and video. We just quickly move on to the video. How to flip the picture in your Microsoft Excel mobile is just going to show in this video. So first of all, I'm just going to insert the picture here. So clicking on the home section, I click on the insert option first and just going to click insert a picture and click on the photo and just going to insert a picture. So here you will have this option, click on the more section. So you have an option to rotate and crop. But if you just want to flip, just go inside it and just going to resize it. Or you will have the picture here. So I just want to, if you're just click on the picture, you will see this option on the bottom. And here you can't find the option to flip, but you have that. So you just need to click on the arrange option and just scroll down to the bottom section. Here you will see this option called flip vertical and flip horizontal. So click on this flip vertical, you can see it's flipped vertical, and flip horizontal, it flipped horizontally. So actually the flip option is on the arrange option. So you just need to go inside the arrange option. You can just flip vertically or horizontally, whatever you just needed. This is how you just flip the picture or image on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.